Provider Award for Social Responsiveness and Apprenticeship Provider of the Year, ACT Training. Being creative and innovative is an important part of ACT Training's approach to the delivery of apprenticeship programs. ACT works with employers to engage them in the delivery of programs, ensuring they are actively involved in what is an important investment for them and their learners. Cardiff-based company ACT Training promotes social inclusion and encourages learners from underrepresented groups to support their achievements in training and learning. The company has provided a range of initiatives on the delivery of work-based learning, including 2 academies to provide an alternative to mainstream school for young people disengaged with education. Babcock Training Limited. Babcock Training believes that in order to increase learners' personal and occupational skills, there has to be a continual improvement in their experience to learning. With more than 1,000 learners in Wales and a key deliverer of active leisure apprenticeships for the Welsh Government, its validated success rates for 2012-2013 were a combined rate of 91%. Apprentices benefit from the investment Babcock places into its programs. It has embedded digital learner and support solutions, a bespoke digital platform, and support to deliver impartial information. Cambrian Training Company. Cambrian Training Company has responded to the needs of employers and learners by introducing new apprenticeship frameworks to Wales. The Welsh pool-based business has developed a reputation for innovation, engagement with 450 employers, and effective delivery of learning programs. Together with partner subcontractors, the company employs around 100 people and has achieved a 91% success rate for completed apprenticeship frameworks, ranging from hospitality and butchery to financial planning services and sustainable resource management.